Hi, Colin here from King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2020 BMW 530e SE Individual. Plug-in hybrid, beautiful car. I'm a mad fan of these things. As I'm sure you'll know if you follow any of our stuff, they're kind of my favourite pound for pound car. And as they say, all 530e SEs are created equally, but this one's a little bit more equal than the others, and I'll go through why it is with you now in a second. Other than that though, before we go for a drive, would you kindly like and subscribe? It makes a massive difference to a small little channel like ourselves. It helps us grow, helps us buy more stock, sell more cars, ultimately make more videos, that kind of stuff. But that's it, let's get inside, we'll go for a drive and I'll show you some of the stuff. So here we are out in the 530, and as always with these things, it's the quietness and all that stuff that strikes you first, because they're hybrid, and generally they're running in electric on this thing. But this particular car and why I like it so much, why it's probably my choice. I'm very much in the SE camp when it comes to BMWs, and it's an age thing for me, of course. Like, I like them to be big and comfy and lazy almost. That's sort of what I want from a car nowadays. So the M Sport's a bit too focused for me. Still a perfectly good car, don't get me wrong, but this one has some individual spec on it and it's just lovely. This one has the full electric pack, so we've got fully electrically adjustable chairs on both sides of the front, and we get a fully electric adjustable steering wheel in this one with memory positions and stuff. Really nice touch. Another thing that this car has, and most of them don't, and I know you're going to think I'm crazy when I say it, but genuinely they don't. This one has keyless entry, which most of them absolutely don't have. That's another lovely touch on it. And the other really nice thing about this particular one, and it's where someone spent a hell of a lot of money on it. This one has a reverse camera and genuine upgraded BMW 19-inch wheels. Those wheels alone would cost about 2k, I would say, £2,000 when you're buying it new, particularly at BMW prices. So it's a hell of a lot of car, and it's a very nicely spec'd one. And then onto this actual car, I just want to bring you into the interior of it and let you have a quick look around and see what's there. But it's just, it's all kinds of lovely. Like, I just love these things. I think pound for pound, as in euro for euro, you cannot spend the equivalent amount of money more efficiently on a car, in my mind, in terms of what these can do, their fuel economy, their performance. Onto performance: 252 brake horsepower, a wall of torque, 12 kilowatt hour battery, meaning this car will genuinely give you like between 55 and 60 kilometers without having to turn everything off, and it will just drive that way. Like, so it's a really usable thing that covers most people's commute, and it charges from a 3-pin plug in your house, so it doesn't even need a fast charger. They're just a fabulous thing. I absolutely love them. And this particular one, just onto the outside of it there, I'll just let you look up and down each side of it there just to show you how straight and clean it is. A really nice example. Even the paint on this car, believe it or not, is an individual spec, because it's actual black. Most cars that are black are not black. They're really dark greys, they're really dark purples, they're really dark browns. This is a colour you have to pay for, and it's black. So it's a really nicely put together car. The rear privacy glass is all real BMW stuff. It's just lovely. And then the sort of generic spec, but now all of them come with this spec once you go into the 192 onwards years. It has the bigger plinth screen in the middle. We have Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, we've heated seats in this one. We get the new gauge binnacle in this one, the most modern gauge binnacle until the TV screen comes in the most modern one. So just, really, really serious, like a gorgeous car. But that's it. I'm going to start talking about the car there and just let you know a little bit about ourselves, just who we are. King Motors, we were one of the first ever second-hand dealers to be SIMI registered. But the main feather in our cap, really, in my opinion, is our Google reviews and our sort of online presence. I think we have a Google rate of 4.9 out of 4.99 out of a potential 5 stars on Google reviews, which we're super proud of. We'd love you to read them and see how other people got on with us. Other than that, we can provide warranty on the car nationwide, anywhere in the country, works locally to you for up to 24 months. So with all that in mind, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to say thank you for watching the video. We appreciate you taking the time to do it. Hopefully it showed you some of the really nice stuff on this particular car. But that's it again. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we will see you soon.